Okay, hello and welcome everybody to tonight's information session on everything liquid collagen. Super excited to be here tonight with all of you. My name, for those of you that don't know me, is Ivana Ruger. I am a certified nutritionist and personal trainer, and I've been working with Lifevantage for 2.5 years now, and really excited about this new product that we've launched because collagen is definitely the buzzword, but to make it a bigger buzz, why don't we look at activating our collagen instead of just taking collagen? And that's what tonight's session is all about. The benefits of activating your own collagen production. What is collagen? Why is it important? What the different types of collagen is, and the different types of forms that collagen comes in. So I'm going to run through all of these different points. And then we can do a bit of Q&A at the end of it if you've got any specific questions that you'd like to ask. So Lifevantage, at the forefront of everything that they do, they didn't want to just release another collagen in the marketplace because we've already got a ton of that. And so they have formulated a liquid collagen which helps you to activate your own collagen production, also to maintain your own collagen production, and then also replenish. So sorry, I should have said activate, replenish, and then maintain. And that's exciting because this is a big game changer when it comes to the collagen market. So what exactly are we doing with collagen? And let me just go through, I'll just go back a couple of slides. Okay, let me just explain a little bit about collagen. So the first thing that we think about when we think collagen is glowing skin, healthy skin, reducing those fine lines and wrinkles and sagging appearance that we start to get through the aging process. And why is that really important? Because when it comes to our collagen production in the body, after the age of 25, that starts to decline, and it starts to decline quite rapidly. So it's why we start to have, that integrity with our skin start to change through the years. And this slide here just gives you a look at what healthy skin, what the makeup of healthy skin looks like. So you've got your, your cuticle, then you've got your different layers, your epidermis, your dermis, your hypodermis, and then the muscles. And you can see on the right-hand side that the collagen falls into that dermis layer. Now, another really easy way to think of it is if you were to think of the dermis as the springs in your mattress. So just like, as we start to age, we lose the integrity in our skin and that elasticity that collagen helps, create. In your mattress, as your mattress begins to age, that spring starts to not have as much integrity either in the mattress, and the mattress starts to perhaps become a little bit saggy and droopy as well. And so it starts to just impact that whole integrity around our skin. And so what we're doing when we're supporting our body with collagen is helping to create that spring back in our skin again, that tightness and that integrity. So on the screen on the left-hand side, you can see what healthy skin looks like, the healthy collagen, the elastin and the fibroblast cells, they look intact. That cellular structure is intact, as opposed to the right-hand side, where you can see that the cellular structure is now sort of disorganized, it's damaged, it's breaking down, and it's not as, it's just not structurally in place like it is on the left-hand side of the screen. So collagen is really, really important. Now, it's important for more things than just, obviously, our skin health. The anti-aging industry is blowing up because people are obviously wanting to maintain their youthful appearance, but the anti-aging industry is also really blowing up in today's day because people are really wanting to focus on their internal health just as much, and slow down that aging process on what's happening internally. And so collagen is super important. It's 30% of the protein that is in the body, and it's important for not just our skin integrity, but also our tendons, our ligaments, our joints, our muscles. It's important for tissue repair, for our eyes. Like 90% of our eyes contain collagen. It's also important for liver function, Obviously, hair, skin, and nails, which is the first thing that we think of when we say collagen. It's important for our blood vessels around the heart. It's important for our sleep quality. Drop a 1 if you weren't aware of that. Important for sleep quality, cognitive brain support, our mood. And that's because collagen is made up of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. And for sleep, we really need the glycine aspect, and also for cognitive support. They're all amino acids that make up that profile for collagen. It's super important for our gut function, so the integrity of our gut. What it's doing, on the inside of our body is all these incredible things. And when we take collagen, we start to see the visible results quite quickly within that anywhere from 2 weeks to 4 weeks to 8-week period. But if you can see those visible results just on the outside, then you can imagine all of this incredible stuff that I've just mentioned also taking place on the inside, which is really awesome. So it's amazing to know, what we can do when we really support our body. But what is better than just taking collagen? As I said, it's activating our own collagen production, replenishing our collagen stores, and then maintaining it. So, what makes our liquid collagen different is that we are able to create that production and get the body producing it. And, as I said, there's a lot of collagens in the marketplace, but all of those collagens in the marketplace at the moment, their typical approach in the market is just to replenish collagen stores. Okay, so replenishing is what they do. What makes us unique is that we are activating, we are also replenishing, but we are also maintaining. So we're slowing down and minimizing the existing collagen breaking down in the body. So that's going to be really important. So yeah, you think collagen, think Lifevantage, think activate, replenish, maintain, which is super awesome. Now, there are different types of collagen in the marketplace. So you've got type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen. And so just so you have a little bit of an understanding before I go through what's inside our collagen, type 1 is 90% of the body's collagen. It's made of densely packed fibers, which provide structure to the skin, to our bones, to our tendons, our cartilage, our connective tissue, and our teeth, and so much more. Type 2 is more loosely packed fibers, but it's found in the elastic cartilage, specifically around your joints. And then type 3 collagen supports the structure of your muscles, your organs, and your arteries. Okay, so they're the different types of collagen. Now, what's inside our collagen is fish collagen peptides. Okay, so we've got 10 types of collagen plus the amino acids to support that. So it's a marine-based collagen. It helps with the skin elasticity, the skin moisture, youthful appearance. It's also going to help with the, our bones, our tendons, our cartilage, connective tissue, teeth, all those things that I just mentioned. And why marine collagen? Okay, so there's different forms of collagen. There's marine collagen. There is bovine collagen, which is from cow. And then there is also collagen from chicken. And then there's plant-based collagen. So marine collagen, and we use hydrolyzed marine collagen, is the most absorbable. It's got superior bioavailability and absorbability. Okay, so that's why we're using marine collagen. The molecules are much smaller, so the body can actually break it down and use it. With bovine collagen, which is type 1 and type 2, it comes from both type 1 and type 2 collagen, the particles are not as small. So, bovine is part 1 and type 1 and type 3. The particles aren't as small. So marine collagen is super absorbable. It's really small. There's no sort of after fishy taste that you get with it when you use marine collagen, and it's super clean. With our collagen, it can be traced right back to the source. We use 2 types of fish. So we use a fish called Tilapia and Pangasius, which contains those amino acids, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, and they're that amino acid profile that's needed to compose collagen. Okay, so Fish is marine collagen is what we're using. Then it's got ruby red extract, so quinoa extract. So this is exciting. This is the activator. This is what activates the collagen production in the body. This here with the with the ruby red quinoa extract, that is from farms that are sustainable, it's ethically sourced, and it's the extract from the grain that actually locks the cell's ability to absorb the collagen, which then helps the synthesis of the collagen. It's also going to help with the fine lines and wrinkles as well. So this is our key ingredient that creates the activation in the body. And then we've also got berry and citrus fruit extracts in it as well. So this is basically got blueberry powder, young pumpkin fruit, acerola berry. It's got vitamin C and lots of antioxidants that help with promoting collagen as well as elastin production. You know, we know antioxidants are important. They help with our skin. It helps with that glow. And also the way you can think about it is with the citrus berry fruit extracts, we're basically flipping off the switch to breaking down the collagen. Okay, so if we're thinking about activation, we're thinking of flipping those switches on and off. We're flipping off the switch on breaking down collagen. With the ruby red quinoa, we're flipping on the switch to activate our collagen production. So I love that analogy because we are an activation company. We are about activating our bodies and our wellness. And so that's what we're doing here with these ingredients. Okay, what's not in it? No added sugar, no artificial sweeteners. It's not genetically modified. It's dairy-free, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free. So there's no allergens in it at all. It's got a really nice, so I've been told, delicious appleberry flavor to it. And the packaging is 100% recyclable and earth-friendly. So it comes in a beautiful little bottle. It's got one serve per bottle, which is I think a 50 ml serve. They are they don't need to be kept in the fridge, but once opened, it does need to go in the fridge. So they're not, they're shelf stable, but once opened, they go into the refrigerator. The packaging is beautiful, it's recyclable. And yeah, I love the branding. So I'm really excited about what it looks like. Some of the benefits I've already mentioned, but it's going to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, improve our skin moisture and tone. It's going to help protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Obviously, our skin is our largest organ. It's the most impacted by the harsh environment and the chemicals and the toxins. And so with the liquid collagen, we're able to combat the oxidative stress from the outside as well as the inside as well. It's going to prevent that breakdown. It's going to help with our skin and our nails and our hair. And I'm going to go through some of these clinical trial results, which is amazing. So we have already had some lucky people that have been consuming and using this product previously to Lifevantage launching it official in the USA. And you can have a look at what these results are already showing. So already within a 25-day period, you know, you can see that the skin's glowing. There's a reduction in the fine lines and wrinkles. There's tightness in the skin and the appearance, and you know, less crow's feet, all that kind of stuff. So the results speak for themselves. And as I said, it's not, you know, it's not just what's happening on the outside, but if it's doing all of this on the outside, then what else is taking place on the inside? All those other amazing things that I just absolutely just mentioned. So what can liquid collagen do for you? Let's have a look at some of those clinical trial results. We're going to activate, replenish. We're going to maintain your collagen stores. We're going to increase collagen density by 42%. How amazing is that? 42% increase. Reduce skin roughness by 10%, and the depth of crow's feet by 22%. So these were the results after an 8-week clinical trial. Blood catalase antioxidant levels increased by 202%. So catalase is a really powerful antioxidant that the body produces itself. I'm going to talk about NRF2 activation at the end of this, but our liquid collagen also increases catalase by a whopping 202%, which is just phenomenal. And catalase helps prevent that damage, that oxidative stress to the skin. Type 1 collagen is increased by 43%, skin elasticity by 8%, increased epidermal barrier structure 2 to 5 times, and increased production of antioxidants through NRF2 activation 27 times the amount. All right, how incredible. Drop a 1 if you're excited by that. So NRF2 is our flagship product. A lot of you on here tonight are already on the NRF2 activator. It is our natural product that flips the switches on our genes, gets the body to produce its own pharmacy of antioxidants, which are superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione. And with this liquid collagen, it's going to increase the effectiveness, the activation of those antioxidants 27 times the amount, which is just phenomenal. So glutathione, we are already increasing in the body by 300% with NRF2 activation, catalase by 50%, and SOD by 30%. So just astounding with the results that we're seeing. So with this product, we can truly live with confidence, true confidence with the Lifevantage range. There are some frequently asked questions here that I've just popped up on the screen, but I will also come off and answer any questions that you've got. Let me just see if there's any other points that I want to share with you tonight. I think I've covered most of it. So what makes it unique is the fact that we are activating, maintaining, and replenishing. Does the fish collagen peptides come from? It comes from the fish Tilapia and Pangasius. I think I pretty much covered most of these questions during the presentation. It is non-genetically modified. It is gluten-free. There's no chemicals that are used in the collagen. Through the extraction process, we actually use water to extract from the marine, from the fish, to make it, the process of hydrolysis. If you want to couple it with another product, this product goes beautifully with our NRF2 activator. So let me just stop screen there and open it up to any questions that we might have. I'm just going to jump into the chat box. Lots of angel numbers. Yay. Important for us to know how to pronounce the fishy things. Yes, Savka. I got to work on the pronunciation for sure. This product was released, just launched on Saturday. So I'm just getting my head around all of it. We don't lose integrity when we age, Savka. No. I love that. Okay, so yeah. What else can I share? Yeah, so I mentioned there's 3 types of collagen. Obviously, we are using type 1 collagen, which is marine, from the marine source, which is fish, and it's the most abundant in the body. Plant-based collagen, I don't know if I talked about that. Plant-based collagen, it doesn't really exist. Collagen comes from from humans. It doesn't really come from plants, or it doesn't come from plants, full stop. There are plant collagens in the marketplace. They use certain nutrients to help boost production of collagen in the body, but it's not as effective because there is actually no collagen in the product as well. Yeah, bovine collagen covers type 1 and type 3. Marine collagen is just type 1. Type 2 collagen, which is found specifically just in the joints, comes from chicken. But, you know, as I said, 90% of our body's collagen is the type 1, which is what we're using, the marine, and it's the most easily absorbed and digestible. So yeah, who's excited? Who's excited to activate their collagen? Absolutely. So when is it available? October is what we're looking at for the Australian market, with updates to be shared along the progress of that through the TGA and Lifevantage and corporate, of course. if you've got contacts in the US that would love to get activated with their collagen, obviously they can be customers straight away, or they can be brand partners. But yeah, we are working on getting the product into Australia as soon as possible. Yeah.
So exciting.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay, very exciting. All right, so no questions. I am going to end the Zoom there. If you think of any questions later on tonight, over the next few days, just reach out to whoever invited you here to this tonight. If you're watching the recording, or if you are on the Zoom, then just send me a message. Petra, reach out to Anna, of course. We'll be able to answer those for you. Wonderful. Everyone have a lovely night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye.